name's Diane and I had a clear lens exchange procedure in March. I made a consultation in January and came for my pre-assessment in February and had an intense 2.5 hour test on my eyes to see if I was suitable. I also then was sent to another clinic in Harley Street to check my retinas were okay before I had the procedure, which thankfully they were. So I came in March and I had my left eye done first, and then came back the following day to have my right eye, and then came back on the Wednesday for my first op procedure. Mr. Martin Filipec did my procedure for me and it was amazing. I had quite a few drops, anaesthetic drops, drops to dilate the pupil beforehand. The procedure only took roughly, I'd say, 20 minutes per eye. Straight away, after having just the one eye done first, you could see. It was absolutely brilliant. And obviously then I came back on the following day to have my right eye done, and it was just amazing, absolutely amazing. From the following day, your eyesight just gets better and better. I've just come from my 2-week post-op assessment and I've basically got near on 20/20 vision. I think it's the best vision I've ever had in, God, over 30 years. I had quite a high prescription before. I had the roughly -15 in each eye, so my vision was quite severely poor. But now it's just brilliant, absolutely brilliant, and I can't recommend them enough. I'd say anybody that was looking to have this procedure, definitely go ahead. Come and have the assessment first to see obviously if you're suitable. But I would definitely recommend AVC.